Yeah, and today is the 28th of August 2021. We have Mannilantie at 13, Stekis B here, and Järvenpää at Eskenda. Uusimaa, Finland. And of course, you can also watch the Stekis A here. Look at that beautiful painting on the wall. It's a different painting in the Stekis A. It was built by ValmetSchlieren in 1977. It's only 45 years old. In the next year, 2022, we'll be inspecting in 2023. The seal number is VS4841. Capacity is 4 person, 325 grams. Amazing. Let's ride it. 5 floors here. It's great to have some ValmetSchlieren also, not only just Koni.
Yeah.
And like in front of this building, we have several ones from 1975, also by ValmetSchlieren, with only 4 floors, and we have found all of those.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Inspected Bucky Hospital, maintained by Schindler. This is in bad condition.
Yeah. Sound right. Back to the combined ground and basement floor, or street level. That's it. And thank you very much. Once again, you can also watch Stekis A here in this building.
That's